everyone, it's Dave from Dave's Recent Things. Today, I have a thrift flip for you, a chinoiserie-inspired vase. I am just so excited about this, so why don't we just get started and I'll show you how I created it. I have this vase that I found at the Value Village here in Canada, and I was just so excited for it. And from Amazon, I have these napkins that have a chinoiserie pattern to it, and I thought it'd be perfect for this thrift flip. So here are the napkins from Amazon, and I think there were 40 napkins for I think $8 or something like that. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to take apart these napkins, and really essentially what the whole plan is to Mod Podge these napkins onto the vase. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut these up into quarters. I don't know how much I'm going to need of them, but I'm going to cut up a whole bunch just to start off. Now you can take the 2-ply off. This is a 2-ply napkin, but I want to do is have the white background really show since it's a clear vase. So I'm going to keep the 2-ply together and not take it apart because I want it to be opaque. And of course, we are using Mod Podge for this project. This is just a normal Mod Podge, nothing special about it. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a nice, good base coat to apply the napkin to. And then once that's there, I'm just going to apply it down, press it into the Mod Podge a little bit, and then I'm going to take more Mod Podge and apply that right on top of the napkin. And already, as soon as I put the first one down, I was loving the look of it. I was just like, yep, this is exactly what I had in mind. So I'm just going to continue applying those napkins on there. Of course, the bottom piece, I usually just had it in one piece, and then I tore some just to fill it up, all the little spaces that I didn't cover or that wasn't covered by the napkin. And I just keep moving my way all the way around, applying the Mod Podge first, then the napkin, and then applying another layer of Mod Podge right on top. And I'm usually pretty generous with my Mod Podge, and here I am just making sure I've got everything covered. You see there's a little couple of spots there that I missed, so I'm just going to cover those again with little pieces. And I'm all done, and it's going to dry for about 24 hours. Once it's all dry, I had this vision in my head to do kind of a white for the top part and a little bit of a metallic paint right in the middle where I'm painting right now, that little ring in the middle. But first I wanted to give it a good coat of white, and this is just acrylic paint that I put down, and I gave it a good couple of coats and I let that completely dry for a couple of hours. And once the white is dry, I'm just going to take a little paintbrush and I'm going to paint on my silver metallic paint. Of course, you can choose any color you want. I mean, if you go with different color napkins, you can choose different colors, or you can even put the napkin around the entire vase. That would look great as well. I just wanted something contrasting to make this vase. So with the silver paint, I have my little paintbrush and I do 2 or 3 coats just to make sure that that silver paint is nice and thick and it comes across as being nice and metallic. But there you go. I'm just going to let this all dry. And here is my final result. My first thrift flip, and I'm so excited to bring it to you. My chinoiserie-inspired vase. The vase I got for $6. Can you believe that? Thank you so much for watching today. I'm so glad you joined me in my first thrift flip. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.